Hey guys, another slime video. So I remember the slime I made yesterday, red and purple. These two I've made just today because those two got dried up. So here's purple. Yeah, I know I made another purple, weird, right? And what greens? Here's yellow. Just got convinced to make a yellow one. Look at that shine. Okay. Let's see. Squishy. Super squishy. Wait, I can't get out. Ah, no. Okay. Okay, this might be a very short video. I'm serious. Guys, sorry, this could just be a 2 or 1 minute video. Oh, never mind. 2 minutes then. Because this slime I have created, it's just new because I just created it and I colored it. Sorry I didn't really show you guys when I made it. Like yesterday when I made red one. Here's the yellow one. No. Hey. Okay. Just a 3-minute video. You know, it's gonna open the purple one. There. Flat and perfect. See. Okay. Perfectly awesome, guys. Another slime vid. Ugh, gosh, I think it's gonna be 3 minutes. Sorry, guys. Okay. See this? This right here is my purple one. Okay. These two are my favorite for now. Sorry about the camera. I don't have my little helper for now. She's doing something else. Fingers. Stop it. Okay. Okay. Purple one. It's blurry. There. Okay, purple one and a yellow one. Okay. Let's name these. Okay, guys, in the comments, can you please name my 2 slimes? Because if you can, I will make another slime video. It'll have a 3rd slime right here. Or maybe 4. Or, if you are one of my friends, I think I might give you a little tiny bit of it. And that's true, guys. True. We have purple and yellow. I can only give you a little bit, not all. Because I can't make any more because of my mom. Well, for now. I think I can make more. Guys, if you give me the most perfect name ever, I'll pick in the comments, okay? I'll pick in the comments section below which one I'll pick, and I'll make another video editing. And if it's not even one of your names, that means I just named it myself. So guys, right now it's either you make your own names or tell me if these are good names. Oh gosh, it's gonna be 4 minutes. Okay, this one will be sunny yellow, and this one will be ultraviolet. No, purple. Yeah. If you don't like those names, just tell me in the comment section below which one you want. What name you'd pick for it. Or if you say yes, that means it's good. If you say no, you have to write the color and then the name beside it. Okay. So the sunny yellow and purple. Tell me if you like it or not. Here, you can even just change one. You don't have to change both of them. Okay? Just write the color and then say yes. And then if you have yellow, say no. And put the color and say no. And then write the name you want. Like, I have purple here. So you write purple. You write purple. and you say yes. And for yellow, Sunny Yellow, you put yellow and no, and then anything you want, or just any of the two colors. Okay. See you guys for next video. Oh, by the way, if you want another pony vid, it's not focusing again. Another pony show. I think I might make one tomorrow. It's fun. So fun with the president, the vice president, the book author, vice book author, and the party planner. Pinky, I'm still gonna say that. Sorry. I think I might join my equestrian girls next time. There, equestrian girls it is. Okay, guys. See ya next time.